Disposal of waste. Have you seen how waste is disposed of by the municipal corporation? They get rid of waste collected from all over the city or town in different ways. Now let's learn about them. The first is burning. When waste is collected at one place and burned, chemical waste or the other forms of toxic waste are burnt in a furnace which is in a closed place, but burning causes air pollution and is harmful for the environment. Second is by dumping. Waste from colonies is collected and carried out in trucks. Then it is taken to faraway places and simply dumped. This dumping ground is a breeding place for mosquitoes and germs of all kinds. Next is disposal of waste by landfills. The most popular method of waste disposal is landfills. Landfills are found in the outskirts of cities. They are deep ditches which are dug in the ground and the garbage is dumped in them. Next is compost pits. In the villages, pits are dug in the ground. Household waste is dumped, and after some time, it converts into manure. So this manure is called compost. It provides soil with nutrients and fertilizers as well as enable the land to retain moisture. Now the 3 R's: recycle, reduce, and reuse. If we want to live in a clean environment, we should learn the 3 R's of the environment: recycle, reuse, and reduce. First is recycle. Many of the things we use every day, like paper bags, cans, are made out of the material that can be recycled. Many cities and the towns have recycle centers where you can drop off the material you have collected. Next is reuse. Instead of throwing things away, find the ways to use them again. For example, avoid using the disposable material and always carry your own reusable mugs, eating utensils, and clothes for shopping. Donate your old clothes, toys, and furniture. You can also make art and craft projects such as dustbins out of cardboard boxes and the pencil stands and other beautiful decoration pieces by using your imaginations. Use rechargeable batteries instead of disposable batteries. Batteries not only take up the landfill space but also leak acid into the earth. The next is reduce. Reducing the amount of waste is the best way to help the environment. There are several ways to do this. The first is by carpooling. Vehicles gives energy and causes pollution. So encourage carpooling with friends, walking or taking bus. Get into the habit of riding your bicycles to local areas instead of driving. Save energy by turning off lights and turn off taps. Buy products that don't have a lot of packaging. More than 30% of waste is packaging. It is not difficult to prevent environment pollution if we join hands with everyone and realize our responsibilities. Thank you.